Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life. Hey everyone, today's video is a tutorial and it's part 2 of my 3-spine envelope project. I'll be showing you how I turned the base into a full-blown MuseKeeper using legal size folder. And yes, we're keeping it no-sew. If you love innovative junk bills with a twist, you're in the right place. Let's get to it. I'm using Botánica Blanca kit, especially for the front and back and various sections of the 3-spine journal, and also on the MuseKeeper. And I'm also introducing a Field of Faith add-on kit that will be available on my Ko-Fi. We're going to discuss how I will assemble the strength that the envelope will need. And here are the breakdown of the different pieces of cardstock or cardboard or cereal box that you will need. Now, I'm showing you a correction of the spine. And what you're going to do now, after you distress your envelope if you'd like, you're going to need gaffer's tape. And here I'm showing you where I'm going to add it. And I will be fast forwarding this just a little bit more. And we're going to now work on the front and the back spines, and you will see this process as well. Now, we're going to use gaffer's tape, and if y'all have been here for a little while, it's been my go-to as of late. I love, first of all, the color, because it blends with my color themes, and it just gives the strength needed on your spine, edges, or what have you. But again, use whatever you have in your home. And we're going to be reinforcing the middle spine and the front and the back covers. I also find it really helpful to use an old credit card to really apply the gaffer's tape onto my surface. It's just a tip to keep in mind. And here's what the 3-spine junk journal looks like with all the gaffer's tape in all the different areas. And that's the front, and that is the back. Now I'm showing you how I added a couple of the Fields of Faith add-on pages, which are solid grungy pages, to the inner parts of the 3-spine journal. And then I'm also showing you the front and the back covers. This part is super important because, as you see, I'm only putting a cover of the digital Botánica Blanca on the front and the back cover, not the inner cover. So that's a really important step to keep in mind. Next, I'm going to use a 1/4-inch corner rounder on the front and the back covers. Totally optional, not necessary. So here I'm showing you the measurements as to how I added the signatures, and I measured 1/4 inch on the bottom of the spine, and that's how I was able to insert the different signatures. And there's 3 signatures, a total of 48 pages. Now I'm slowing this part of the tutorial for the MuseKeeper down a little bit because there's a part that didn't film. And you're going to cut your folder 6 3/4 inch by 10 3/4 inch, okay? And then on the 10 3/4 inch side, you're going to score at 1.5 inch, then at 9 3/4. You're going to turn onto your 6 3/4 inch side, and you're going to fold at 1 inch. And then you're going to open up your folder as you see here, and you're going to cut that middle spine. And I'm cutting just along like an angle because it's important to do so in order to be able to close the keeper. Next, you're going to need 2 cardboard pieces at 1 3/4 inch by 7 5/8 inch. And this is what will give the keeper that support on the inner part, if you will, and also the bottom part of the keeper. And what I did is I used digital paper to cover just one side of each board. And here I am introducing again my favorite as of late, the Gaffer's tape, and I'm showing you where I choose to add it. And again, this is optional, completely up to you. If you don't have Gaffer's tape, you can use other things such as fabric, washi tape, cardstock, but I really like the strength it gives my spine. Now, here you're going to need 4 pieces of the Botánica Blanca digital pages to cover the inside and the outside of the MuseKeeper. And the dimensions are 5 3/4 inch by 11. Okay, and here are the 2 covers for the inner and the bottom spine. And this is how it looks. And again, I used 3-in-1 glue, and I did, because I'm a little persnickety, I like to cover certain things. You don't have to cover those flaps, but I'm giving you a feel as to how the keeper looks like. I did use the wrong width of double-sided tape. I should have used 1/2 inch double-sided tape, but then I was able to fix it with a digital Botanica Blanca paper and cover that mistake. So just keep that in mind. So I want to share that I didn't film the assemblage of the SlideCameo Butterfly Edition or this really cute pocket tag that I created an over the page, if you will, holder here. And it's part of the new Field of Faith add-on kit that will be on my Ko-Fi. I did create a free creative prompt sheet that you can download on the Ko-Fi. But I truly think that you'll find the sketches and the ideas for both makes super, super helpful. I am delighted with how this 3 spine journal turned out from a 9 by 12 mailer. And this keeper is just so much fun and so wicked awesome. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment if this inspired you. And as always, happy making, my museful friends.